And Renu.
I'm Shweta. How are you all? We are good. So today we are here back again with 5 Tips Friday. And today's topic is how to take the usual stuff which is lying around in the house and to make it look interesting and decorative.
Okay. So today we are going to tell you about how to make use of tires in a better way. So once your tires go bald, instead of throwing it away, you can use it to decorate your house. Our first tip is for all the pet lovers, from all the pet lovers. Okay, so this tip is that you can make a tire bed out of tires for your bed if you have one or if you're planning to buy one. So you just paint the tire with very bright colors. You put in a few cushions.
Maybe you already know what color your pet likes.
I know, if I am your pet, I would like some very bright turquoise color.
Anyways, moving on. So. You can actually make a nice bed out of it without spending anything. I'm sure you already have a cushion for your pet. So all you have to do is get the tire which is you are gonna throw or which you found on the road somewhere, and clean it and spray paint it or whatever paint you like to do, and just
you can actually let your kids paint on that. Maybe fingerprints and all that.
Yeah, that look really
nice paint. Yeah, you can try that. So
the next tip is ottoman. Now, a lot of people say that ottomans are very expensive. So, instead of buying one, why don't you make one? All you have to do is...
I'm also sure, a few guys have been trying to buy one ottoman online and you would not have found the one
because
that
it's
you
really
like.
Expensive and what you like. It's hard to get what you like. So, all you can do is get like 2 tires and wrap them up with jute rope, a smoother version of jute rope. And maybe put a nice cloth on it, maybe something with crochet work on it, or maybe you can paint it, you can spray paint it on top the jute, or you can put a small cushion on it and it'll look really nice.
You could also try, tying a woolen thread around it, or you can try those, the fiber one, the artificial ropes that come in real bright colors, the ones that you use for the cloth lane and all that.
Yeah, that looks really nice. So I am sure you will have your own ottoman.
The next one is going to be a garden or a patio table.
Alright.
So we're going to just put tires one on top of the other.
Yeah.
And on top you can put a glass.
We can actually try putting lights, LED lights around it.
It'll look amazing.
And at night it'll look nice. Yeah. Plus we can paint all the 3 tires in different colors. And put
how
just
about
the
painting them with neon colors?
That'll look really nice.
Exactly.
So, talking about garden, we can actually make them into planters as well.
Exactly, you can put plants in, the tires.
Just
that will look very good.
Fill the sand in it and then plant. And it looks actually nice. And you can paint it before you do that. So, I think everybody needs trash bins and people outside, like public, also needs trash bins. So what you can do is, maybe if you're living in a row house or a villa, you can put like 3 tires, big tires with a trash bag in it, and that will make it into a nice dustbin. Or if you want it for your room, you can actually take the small tires which you have scooty, or for the kids' bicycle will be there, right? So the small tires, and then just put a trash bag inside it, and that's all you're done.
Have you seen these very little kids side wheels?
Yes.
That will look very cute on your table. Say you have a study table, you can just use that for the pencil
sharpening.
Exactly, that will look so cute.
Why don't you talk about what you were telling me that
cycle tires.
Yes, cycle tires.
Since they're very small, in thickness, of course big in diameter, you can put mirrors inside. So just cut the mirror and put the tire around it. And since it is very thin, it's pretty elastic. So you can put that around the square mirror as well.
Yeah.
And since that is rubber,
we can color it as well.
Exactly. Or you can even make holes and run those bulbs around it. You remember the one we saw in the restaurant last night? It was amazing, right? We can put in something like that. Even the wires will get confused.
Exactly. So, and actually the cycle rim can also be used. All the wheels you have, like all those sticks, you can actually paint them in different colors, or if you're like too lazy, just paint them black and white, and trust me, on a wall which is like totally plain. You just hang it there and it will look very nice.
You can put LED lights around that as well.
I'm obsessed with LED lights.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of LED lights.
Okay, I think this 5 tips were really helpful to you, and we'll be back with some more next week.
Happy
See you.
weekend!
Happy weekend.
Bye.
Bye.